Welcome back to the channel. Today we hit another 52-week low with Exela Technologies, with the stock down 0.40% and rapidly rising, and the volume so far 6 million, and we are barely a few minutes, not even up to an hour into today's session, compared to an average volume of 33 million shares that would typically exchange hands. Big news today: Exela Technologies is announcing that they have a chief technology officer, and his name is Sri Ramanathan, and he will be reporting to the executive chairman, who is Pa Chatha. So in his new role, Sri will focus on all aspects of product direction, solution strategy, and thought leadership in support of the thousands of Exela customers around the globe. He will collaborate closely with Exela's global leadership team as the company continues to build out our technology products and SaaS based solutions across our portfolio. So that's the big news today about Exela Technologies, and already we can see how the stock is reacting. Volume is up, and already the stock is picking up. This news just dropped less than about 2 hours ago, so it's still making its way across the shareholders of the company and those who are watching Exela Technologies. So I am fully expecting that the stock will be rising today. If not during normal trading hours, it will more than likely be doing so in the after hours. And if you look at the very top of your screen, you can see that most of those indices are up today, but we have been on a downward trend. So I won't be surprised that these early morning gains might be lost by the end of today. I am not pessimistic. I am just looking at the big picture, and I think that's what's gonna happen. We still don't know yet. The Feds had their meetings, and they came out with the minutes yesterday for their May 2nd and 3rd meeting, and interest rates will be hiked for the month of June and July by half a percentage point each of for each of those months respectively. So we know that liquidity will be getting tighter, but we are happy on this particular video that Exela Technologies is making some strides towards improving its management and fighting the rampant inflation and the downturn in the market. So that's very encouraging to see that the company is not just letting itself being pushed around by the tides and the economic downturn, but rather is taking proactive steps to strengthen its position in a time when there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. So having that new chief technology officer, of course, that is almost at the core of the business model of Exela Technologies. So that will help the company become more competitive. You will have a fresh set of eyes looking at the whole picture and seeing where things could be improved. And I think it's all the best for the stockholders of Exela Technologies. One thing that really caught my eye is if you look at the price of crude oil, it is right now at $113 a barrel, and that is really high. So that's up 3.15%. Really impressive. And all the other indices, the S&P 500, the Dow 30, the Nasdaq, Russell 2000, they are all up at least for most of them 1.5 percentage points each. So quite impressive. Well, that's what I had to share with you guys this morning. I hope you are making your trades carefully. Yesterday I thought, even yesterday, today, Exela is at a buy position right now. I don't, even if it goes down a little bit lower, I just don't see this going down too much further than this. So if I had some money laying around, I would definitely be getting some of Exela Technologies. But yeah, the market being what it is and inflation being what it is, I really don't have that extra money laying around. But if you do, consider this company because I think it has a bright future ahead of it. World Economic Forum taking place in Davos, Switzerland, should be closing today, Thursday, the 26th of May 2022. First time they're having their meeting outside of January, and lots of people are looking forward to see what kinds of resolutions they come up with out of those deliberations, and hopefully they come up with something that will help the global economy. So that's what I had to share with you guys today. Exela Technologies trying to push higher, but again reaching another 52-week low today. Thanks for your time. I will catch you guys on the next one, and a big thank you to all the people who have subscribed to the channel recently, and an even bigger thanks to those who are long-term subscribers. I see our numbers creeping up slowly. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing to the channel, as that is the biggest way in which you can help me out. Bye for now, and catch you guys on the next video.